Okay, I just want to say that this is the best shower head of them all, and I'm gonna show y'all. Look at this. I'm not gonna speak for everybody. I'm gonna speak for myself. It's mounted up good. Ain't nothing leaked or anything. It's good for cleaning out your tub. I just really like this. In the water. Oh my God, guys. The water is so filtered. It's so clean. It made my body feel like it's brand new. Like the water is amazing. It's clean water. Like it's better than the regular water that comes from the house. Like this in here filters the water. You'll feel the quality of the water like from the results of your skin. But I like it. I really like it, guys. It's mounted. It's not cracked. Anything is mounted good. No water is being leaked or nothing. I really like this. No leaks. No leaks.
I just bought a shower head off of Amazon. I just unboxed it, and let me show you. It works great. I love it. The pressure is amazing. The controls are very simple. The water is still on because you can still see it in here. I like it.
Look, start coming out that part right here. I'm about to turn it back on. Let me show y'all right quick. I had to turn that shit off though, because it was running up the wall. See? I don't want this shit anymore. They doing too much for me. Literally. Like, it was wonderful at first, but I just want my money back so I can get it, you know, one that actually works.
The extension hose is leaking after a couple months.
has no effect moving this adjustment. I like the wide fan type spray that it had initially. That was my favorite. Now I'm just going to have to find something better.
It works great. I love it. Nice and strong. Even has on and off. Right there. On and off switch. Love it. Great shower head. Continue to purchase this. Always. I recommend.
So I had to duct tape where these two connectors were. Otherwise the pressure and everything, but these two connectors squirt water all over the place. The plastic cracks. I think it's cheaply made, and it's only been 2 weeks, so not a good purchase. Gonna return it. Okay, bye.
Yeah, see, stuck. Doesn't switch pressures. See, the head is broken. Doesn't change. It just split after about 50 uses. It just split and started spraying everywhere. Right there. Great head, but it's just split. It leaks.
And we tightened it, and it's leaking worse. Can't win.